You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing name. If you want to learn more confusing Czech names, make sure to stay tuned. I've got many more videos that are going to interest you. Also names of famous painters. The Czech pronunciation here is as František. František. Therefore, in English, if you cannot pronounce Czech perfectly, you can simply say František. František. You know, it's the sh like in Škoda. František. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.